G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and what I've brought along today is the Wurth Ecoline glass cleaner. Ecoline, what does that mean? It's got increased biodegradability. Now this product is safe for all polycarbonates and plastics, as well as your glasses and paintwork and things like that. It'll remove nicotine stains from the windscreen. It'll also clean off all sorts of tar and fingerprints. It's available in a 500ml trigger pack or a 5 litre bulk container. And the trigger pack has a nice ergonomic trigger on it. So now, let's clean Shane's window. So you'll see when I use the product, we don't need to use a lot. A little bit is just enough. And it dries streak-free and cleans perfectly. Thanks to the natural active agents and its close to neutral pH value, it's safe for almost all surfaces. It's particularly good for polycarbonates. It won't cloud them. So your motorbike visors, your window tin on your vehicle as well, it won't bubble and blister that. So when using the product, just spray a small amount on the surface you want to clean, grab yourself a microfiber cloth and just wipe it off. But give it a couple of seconds just to react with the grime on the windscreen or whatever you're cleaning. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and the Wurth Ecoline glass cleaner, it's ready for work.